colors soft summer should use this spring. And of course, it's a capsule wardrobe for you. The soft summer color palette consists of shades that are the most dimmed among the summer color family. These colors blend very subtle, muted summer tones combined with a black or dark gray tint over them. If you observe the color wheel overlay, you'll notice a transparent black shade over the color. This creates a tone that is different from the pure color, and this is what defines the soft summer palette. Soft summer is one of the 3 summer seasons and sits between the true summer and soft autumn of the seasonal flowchart. So there also might be some colors that will fit soft autumn, especially if you are an in transition type. And about that, you could learn in that video over here. Every summer palette is a gradual transition from the subtlety of the color to a gray or dark hue. Let's see which colors I have found for this capsule wardrobe for you today. And all these colors and shades were gathered from the stores like Aritzia, Nordstrom and Farfetch. The actual season of spring is a tricky season for me specifically because it's a transition from the cold to a warm state of the weather, but what is even more tricky here is that the weather is still fluctuating and it's neither very cold nor it's very warm yet. So especially concerning that is for those who live in 4 seasons with actual snowy winter or semi-sunny spring. I would like to start with something basic like a cotton shirt, but still what's important here is the design of it. Here we can see a composition of a romantic blue shirt with faux leather flat skirt where the romanticism meets the drama. I like this composition because it's extraordinary, and with these colors it's really easy to style it up with some simple black accessories, bags, belts and silver hardware and jewelry. You can wear it with different black bottoms, for example. I would also go for wide leg pants or black flat jeans, or even skinny jeans with high ankle horse riding boots or cowboy boots. You might think, how else could I possibly wear a faux leather skirt? I would wear it with a body-fitting long sleeve in a beautiful dimmed baby blue color. This skirt is high-waisted and I love that fact very much. And you don't necessarily have to wear it only with the heels. Here I found a nice genuine leather pair of Mary Janes and this nice Celine look-alike bag from Self-Portrait. I would go for pearls in spring. I don't think women appreciate them enough. And take a look, they can be in different beautiful designs. One thing I've recently noticed is that we are coming back to capri style pants. These particular ones are flared and black, and what I really like about this outfit is that it's really well matched with the design of the cardigan, where we have a very well fitted waist and loose upper body. Both of these pieces create a beautiful silhouette, which is very feminine. Another baby blue tank top will match with really loose wide leg trousers, and I would definitely wear it with suede loafers and something like a Coach leather flat bag. Alternatively, there is this Dior look-alike tote from Aritzia for something like grocery shopping. How do you like these light blue and black colors ensemble so far? I do like it. I had to include this striped shirt here because the design of it is really nice. And take a look at the fitted waist. This is not your regular Zara shirt. All the small details of this shirt make it very attractive and unique. The color is insanely exquisite in the world of blue color. It would go really well with dark anthracite gray colored wide leg pants and my favorite suede loafers. In case it is still cold, I take a look at this outfit with a turtleneck and a loose blue shirt on top of it. Take into consideration that even if the black color might be too harsh for you, the accessories are still good to be used. I really fancy the Icelandic blue shade of this cotton shirt. It's a bit purple and blends really well with the navy blue wide leg pants. That probably depends on your style, but most likely I'd wear everything here with the suede loafers and Coach bags. You'd probably think, that's a lot of black color here for me. I would say that most likely you will be able to choose the color of your shirt or a blouse. Here it looks very well even with the airy white shirt. That's a nice set for workwear or even a university student outfit. Another airy white blouse outfit, perfect for those who didn't throw out the skinny jeans. I really like to wear it myself with the boots, especially the cowboy boots. There is a small heel but very comfortable for walking, but because these boots are made for walking. I like these Croc look-alike boots. They remind me of 2020 Max Mara collection. I'd probably add a string of pearls here and a leather belt. Also, this off-white Coach bag resembles the Gucci Jackie bag. I really like this color cathedral spire, lovely marshmallow gray, a very delicate design that will go well with the dog bottoms and other accessories. And a pair of marvelous tailored blue trousers that is one of the most beautiful things here in this capsule wardrobe. It's light and bright, enough not to overshadow your natural beauty. It would go well with this light grey Tory Burch bag and of course small subtle pearl earrings. I really like this lace white blouse. If you are going to refresh your spring wardrobe, make sure you have enough feminine romantic pieces to match well with your everyday classic basic wardrobe. If you look at it, you'd think that it's just for some special occasions, but actually it's not. Look, it's white. It will go well with the dog classic trousers, with your navy blue jeans, and even a faux leather high-waisted skirt. One of the best sets with the pink pearls is this dusty pink nude colored set of long sleeve and pleated skirt. I would love to match it with these unique colored pearls, just what a soft summer needs. The lovely dark tea rose color of the cardigan with a rather purple undertone will fit really well with your appearance. This outfit with jeans calls for something cozy to match with, like suede for example. I like this pair of flared pants. They are visibly airy, the design of which will elongate your legs, especially if you wear pointy toes. I would also go for a cardigan, for example, like this striped one, over a simple white shirt. The same cardigan, just in a gray color, will be a nice choice for a casual day with wide leg jeans and a tote in a blue color. Of course, I will go for suede loafers because casual is casual for me. An elongated black loose blazer can be matched with any of the shirts or t-shirts of your palette. This is a nice choice, for example, if you are tall. If you are petite like me, choose another design because this one will make you look even shorter and boxier than you actually are. This design can be used for all heights, tall and short. It's a blazer dress with a fitted waist. That is an elegant design in an iron oxide gray color that I personally would match it with pearls. I really like these pink pearls. I think this is exactly what you need to dissolve strict colors and fabrics. A magnificent wispy clouds white color is really airy. A well-tailored blazer with a unique design. If you go total white, I would add a red bag or red shoes, for example. I like how the hardware in this self-portrait bag is also silver, which will accompany the rest of the silver jewelry you wear. A deep teal green is something I would consider for soft summer. Plus, that's a great color if you want to start experimenting with more saturated colors but are still afraid of them. This color is on the safe side because it's cool blue undertone. One more navy blue colored blazer is really nice if you wear it with a blouse underneath. Take a closer look at the design. It has no lapels and it has an intricate waist cut. A beautiful light gray set of a blazer and trousers would look especially nice with a string of pearls. Have you noticed how all these accessories match each outfit here? A little bit of orchid ice pink in this blouse matches well with the light blue jeans. This blouse has a shimmer, so it will blend well with the skin color. The same blouse just in spa blue color, also with a shimmery structure that will resonate well with everything silver, especially jewelry and hardware on the bag. Look at this delicate subtle color, early hours pink. That's dusty but not like Barbie pink, beautiful button-down dress that will match well with white, oatmeal beige, creamy or off-white colors. A magnificent wispy white colored dress with applique flowers. It has a beige lining. This is the most beautiful dress I have seen so far for the spring summertime. There is nothing more feminine than flowers and pearls, and take a look at this design, especially if you have an event to attend. A stunning azure blue colored set of a long sleeve and a skirt. A good color is difficult to find. This is a unique shade of blue that you cannot miss here. A long-sleeved frilled flower printed dress, where the flowers are blue, is just what you need this time around. A beautiful frilled design that will go well with the most simplistic accessories and bags. Since the dress is already the center of attention, you don't need to accessorize it heavily. Less is more here. A stunning little black dress with a unique twist of this white color right near the face. Black will not ruin your appearance here because of it. You can, of course, add some pearls and accompany them with simple black accessories and bags. This is almost an unrepeatable color to come by. The abalone shell with a purple undertone will go well with your skin and simple basic accessories. I couldn't not include this beautiful pastel turquoise color, which is in a sweater. For colder weather, of course, it will match well with gray and beige bottoms as well as accessories. Red can also be in your color palette. It's a rather summer design, but I still think that you can dissolve all your pastel wardrobe with a little bit extra saturation. Don't be afraid of color, especially this one. A stunning tailored dark gray dress reminds me of Bella Hadid's style. A simplistic design might be just what you need. For those of you who are so against the black color, here is how you actually can afford to wear it. The fabric is the key factor here. It's almost transparent black shoulderless top, far from the face frame, plus the black bottom. You can use any you like since it's not going to contradict with your face frame. I'd personally go for either wide leg pants or a faux leather skirt to make it more interesting. If you want, you can also add a string of pearls just to be on the safe side. Also, I found this printed blouse with an intricate design in beautiful summer colors. A touch of turquoise is exactly what you need this spring. And I hope this information was useful for you today. Thank you for staying with me and see you in the next episode.